All right, we're back. We're on page 5 of notes 11 of Calc C, and we're doing a lot of integrals of powers of trig functions, and perhaps this will go faster than last time, because perhaps we won't run into a problem like number 3, which was a nightmare. And also, I don't know, I might skip checking them, because, you could do that on your own. The problem is if I don't check them, I don't know if I got them right, and if I didn't get them right, I don't know how to fix them, like, whatever. All right, let's see if we can do it. So if I let u equal tangent, then the derivative is secant squared. So I'm going to take a secant squared out of this. I still have a secant squared, and I can turn that into tangents. So that's the thing I'm going to do. Or actually, you could go the other way, where we could. Which one's less work? I don't know. So I'm going to. There's more than one way to do this problem. So I'm going to do secant squared dx. Thing I'm going to save is this, which means the other secants need to turn into tangents. Secant cubed. And then this will be, so 1 plus tan squared. What the? All right, I'm gonna go back and fix that in a second. Like, why did I write secant cubed? Tan cubed. And then it's like over a little bit, and this is how your videos end up 18 minutes. Okay, so u is equal to tangent of 3x. So du is 3 secant squared of 3x dx. So it's going to be 1/3 the integral of u cubed 1 plus u squared du. We got this. 1/3 the integral of u cubed plus u to the 5th du. Okay, so 1/12 u to the 4th plus 1/18 u to the 5th plus c. So there's an entirely different version of this solution where you made, maybe I should finish the solution. Tan to the 4th of 3x, 1/18 tan to the 5th of 3x. All right, I'm gonna live with it. I'm never gonna check it. There's an entirely different version of the solution where you decided to make u equal secant, and the derivative of that is secant tan. So then you have to save a secant and a tangent. So you'll have a secant cubed left over, and tan squared is going to become secant squared minus 1. So your whole answer has secants in it. It's equivalent, but looks different. All right. Sine squared. So only even powers, you use power reducing. So this is going to be 1 minus cosine of 2x over 2 squared dx. So this, we're going to expand. So there's like 1/4. So you square the first, multiply them together times 2, but then you do it right. Minus 2 cosine of 2x. Then square the last, which becomes only even power of cosine. And so we have to use a formula on that. So gift that keeps on giving, 1/4 x. So we get 2 times 1/4 is 1/2. And then, oh my God, 1/2. So it's 2. Okay, so this is perfect. So I think we just end up with minus 1/4 sine of 2x, right? Because if u is equal to 2, you're integrating negative cosine of u du, which is just negative sine. And then there's 1/4. So I think that's right. And then here we still need to integrate. So plus, let's use a marker. Plus 1 plus cosine of 2 times 2x, so 4x. I was about to get that wrong. You probably noticed. Over 2. So 1/4 x lives on. 1/4 sine of 2x. Pretty shaky on that one. I mean, I think it's right. We're gonna have 1/8 x, and then all right. So there's 1/8. That's fine. For 1/4, 1/32 sine of 4x plus c. I think that's it. And then 2, so 3, oh my gosh, 3/8 x minus 1/4 sine of 2x plus 1/32 sine of 4x plus c. All right, there we go, I think. Whatever, not checking them. Decided it. Sine, okay, so I'm gonna do this in a non-traditional way. Well, maybe. What you could do, I mean, sine squared is 1 minus cosine of 2x over 2. Cosine squared is 1 plus cosine of 2x over 2. So 1/2 and 1/2, you factor that out, and then 1 plus and 1 minus is 1 minus cosine squared. And then you use the formula again on the cosine squared and whatever. Instead, I'm gonna do something weird. I'm gonna say that this is the integral of 1/2 sine of 2x squared, right? So like, do it the traditional way if that's what strikes you. Sine times cosine is 1/2 sine of 2x, and this seems like maybe it'll be an easier integral. So sine squared of 2x dx. So, okay, so 1 minus cosine of 2 times 2x is 4x over 2 dx. So this is 1/8 the integral of 1 minus cosine of 4x dx. And that's 1/8 x. All right, minus 1/32 sine of 4x. What am I doing? 4x plus c. I'm not going to check it. I think it's right. If you do it the other way, you actually might get this answer. So maybe you'll be able to confirm that way. If I get them wrong, just, you know, let me know. I don't know. All right, what are we doing? So the derivative, the derivative tangent is secant squared, so that is not the way to go. So then I guess I'm going to want u to be secant, but for u to equal secant, I need secant tan. So I think what we're going to do is break up our tangent cubed into tangent squared, and then secant tan. And then we'll save this. So you're getting saved. So I'm going to change everything else into secant. Secant squared minus 1, and then secant tan dx. This is just like long videos of practicing. U is equal to secant, du is secant tan. So this is like pretty straightforward-ish. Man, if you don't write the parentheses, think of how much time you save. So we're going to get u squared minus 1 du, which is 1/3, we're going back, secant cubed of x minus secant of x plus c. All right, I might check these off camera in between videos, and if I find any glaring errors, I might come back and fix them in the next one. But I'm gonna end this here, and I will see you in the next video where I might be fixing problems and I might be doing more, but whatever, we're gonna keep moving on. So see you there.